Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am filming a Valentine's makeup look. This look was inspired by Sweethearts and Kim K's PR boxes for her fragrance for Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to know how to get this cute Valentine's Day look, then just keep on watching. Wait, I've already done this eye, so we're going to go ahead and move on to this eye. And I'm just going to start by taking this Real Technique shading brush and grabbing the shade Eden in here. And I would just take like a flat brush and kind of diffuse those edges. To add more intensity to the color, just pack it on with that other brush and then diffuse the edges with that Wet n Wild brush. I take another Real Techniques, and this is a base shadow brush, and I'm going to take Blur from this palette, and I'm just going to pack that onto my brush and start diffusing that into the inner corner. I'm just really blending that. So we're going to go back into the shading brush, and I'm going to take Saturn and place that right into the crease like that. And then just go back into the Wet n Wild. Now with my finger, I'm going to take Pyramid. Just pack it on into your liking. And then I just take back, I just grab those brushes again and start making sure I'm blended out. Take a Sephora brush, and I'm going to use Unity to highlight the inner corner. Okay. Now we are going to move on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to grab Parallel, which is this dark brown, and I'm just going to pack that all over the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a fluffier brush, mix Unity, Eden, and Parallel together, and just blend that out. And then I'm going to grab a blue eyeliner. This one's from MAC. It's just a Pro Longwear color stick. And I'm going to place that blue into my waterline. Let me just take the smaller brush I packed on that brown with first and just blend that out. And then I'm going to take the Big Shot Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. I'm going to take my Lancome mascara and go ahead and do this side with mascara. Alrighty, so for now, I'm going to leave the eyes alone. This is the look that we came up with. We're going to go ahead and move on to complexion. I did use Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is like 2 shades too dark for me, but I made it work. But now I'm going to move on to concealer and contour. But I have these samples from Nars that I'm going to go ahead and test out. It's like their concealer that comes in a pot. It's the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And this is in the shade Hazelnut. I'm going to try to contour with this in bronze, but we'll see how that goes. Maybe like too light. It might add something. Don't try this at home, kids. Really don't try this at home. It's not a good blending utensil at all. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm probably looking super orange right about now. Yeah. That did nothing for me. I'm gonna just use some Shape Tape to brighten this all out. And I already did my under eyes, so we're gonna make it work though. And you want to be careful to blend in the concealer into the foundation. You don't want to look unblended, so, which I probably do right now, but what can you do? This foundation is too dark. It's like my summer color. I don't even go out in the summer. I'm gonna have to redo my whole lower lash line. I didn't think I would, but I'm gonna have to. And that's so pretty. I'm gonna take my Cover FX translucent powder and lightly set under these eyes. I'm going to move on to the forehead. Get that nice and matte. The nose and then the chin. But I'm going to wait to set the rest of the face because we are going to contour a bit since my other technique failed miserably. That's all I'm going to do for cream contour, and I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and blend it out. Wow. I'm going to take my Real Techniques, this brush right here, and I'm going to lightly dip it into my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and attempt to further contour the nose. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and lightly dip back into that bronzer and just go ahead and set. Today I'm going to be using my oldie but a goodie ABH Glow Kit. This is the Gleam one, and I think I'm going to go into Mimosa. Mimosa used to be my... This one is really good. I really like this particular glow kit. I can't find my highlighting brush. Morphe. There we go. Okay, so my Morphe M510, and I'm going to go into Mimosa. Ooh. And apply that to the high points of my face. Okay. I definitely have been missing out. Let's go back into the eyes and let's just see what we have to finish here. Not much, but we're just going to go... We're actually going to go into Throne this time because it's a blue. And I'm just going to try to pack that on my lower lash line. It actually worked. Back into that Shayla blue mascara and just go in there one more time. I'm going to use my cute red blush to go with the whole love theme. Okay, but you only need a little bit, so don't go crazy. Girl, you look good. I'm just going to set my face with the All Nighter Urban Decay Spray. I'm going to go ahead and prep my lashes, cut them, and then I'll be back in a sec. Since we're sitting here waiting, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lipsticks. I had a bunch of nudes. I knew I wanted to do the nudes, so I just put them all there. But I decided it's only right to wear my current favorite. This is the IluvsarahiixColourPop collab, and this is Softii. And then this is Dose of Colors Cork. So these I have been loving right now. So I'm going to do my outer lips with the darker one and then fill in with the lighter one, which is Cork. And so now I'm going to take Cork and put that in the middle. Focus at that in the middle. Okay, well this is as good as it's gonna get. Let me go fix my hair and I'll be right back. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys have great plans for Valentine's Day. And if you did enjoy this tutorial, then just go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm sending lots of hearts, sweet hearts, your way this Valentine's Day.